Today I'm going to be showing you a simple Mother's Day insert card. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you these super simple Mother's Day insert cards that are for any mother. I have ones for a mother with a little boy, a mother with a little girl, two moms with a little boy, and two moms with a little girl. Because there are all kinds of mothers out there, and I wanted to be able to appeal to everybody. So let me show you how to make this file. I actually made a design like this last year for Father's Day. I'm going to be updating that file this year for Father's Day, so make sure that you do check it out. I will link a card up above and so that you can check out that video. But for right now, let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file and then we'll get started making them. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library, and once you fill out the password and hit Enter, you'll be brought to all the files. You're going to want to scroll down and then find number 74, which is the Mom and Me insert card. Click that hyperlink and download the file to your computer. Once you've unzipped it, you can go ahead and open up Design Space and we can get started. Alright, now that we're in a new project in Design Space, you can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where you unzipped the folder onto your computer and hit Open, and then Upload. Highlight that image, and then hit Insert Image, and we'll bring it into our canvas. Now again, I am using the Joy version of this design, so I'm going to make sure that I come up here and change my machine to my Joy machine. There we go. And you can head on up to Make It up here in the top right corner. Now since we're using the Joy, I am using the card mat, so I'm going to highlight that and hit Done. And now I want to come over here and change my material size because I'm using the smaller of the insert cards. Okay, everything looks good. You can head down to Continue. Wait for my machine to connect. And under Materials, I'm going to select Insert Cards and change my pressure to More. Okay, for this project, we're going to use our insert cards, our scraper to get all the bits off of our card mat, a weeding tool just in case, and my CRICUT brayer. Get all this stuff out of the way. Alright, to place your insert card into the card mat, you slip it into the sleeve, lining up the left edge and the top edge. Give it a little press, and then I use my brayer to make sure that everything is adhered really well. We can go ahead and open up our machine and then start to feed the mat in, and then the machine will take it and do the rest. In Design Space, you're going to see this message that says that it is loading the mat. There we go. You can head into Design Space and hit Go. That's that big green button. It's going to prepare it, and then it will start to cut. Once the cut has completed, you can hit Unload in Design Space. Close up my machine. Alright, I'm going to take our weeding tool, and I like to do this just to release some of the card from the mat. It helps when I peel it off. And carefully remove it. Take it out. Set that to the side. Just going to remove any extra bits here that didn't pull off of the mat. There we go. And now I'm going to take my insert that I've already cut and slip that into the slits on the outer card. There we go. I lay it down face down and then just give it a little press with my hand just to make sure that everything folds right and sits right. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I really like it. The white and then the color background looks really pretty. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the different ones in the file. So this one you just saw me make. This is the Mom and Me Girl version. This is the Mom and Me Boy version. I used a different colored card here. This is the Moms and Me Boy version. Got the two moms holding the little boy's hand. And this is the Moms and Me Girl version. Those are all 4 files that are in the free download. Aren't those easy? I really do like these ones. I'm going to probably be making more with these kind of figures in the card, so make sure that you check them out whenever I post them. If you did like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new one. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have so many card tutorials there for you, lots of CRICUT stuff, so be sure to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see everybody later. Bye-bye.